If you live in a small space but want to expand your home workout options, a folding exercise bike is a smart investment. Having an exercise bike at home is great to squeeze in a quick workout when it's most convenient for you, without the hassle of driving to a gym. Kat Com, CEO, founder, and head trainer of Studio Sweat On Demand, says. Hello guys, in this video we're looking at the 5 best folding exercise bike of 2024, and if you want more information we also put the links in the description box below. Thanks. Number 1. Marcy Foldable Upright Exercise Bike. Marcy's foldable upright bike is our top overall pick because it's sturdy, easy to use, and an excellent value. The durable 14-gauge steel frame feels as stable as a stationary bike, while still offering the space-saving convenience of a folding one. We like that the bike boasts a quick and straightforward assembly, as well as 8 levels of resistance, which are easy to adjust mid-ride. The LCD screen allows you to track your time, speed, distance, and calories. Meanwhile, a padded seat and foam-covered handlebars help you comfortably maintain your form. And the counterweight, non-slip pedals have adjustable safety straps, letting you ride at high speeds without worrying about losing your footing. A rubberized foot base adds to the bike's stability and won't scratch wood floors. And the seat is adjustable, to accommodate users between 5 feet, 1 inch and 6 feet, 3 inches tall, but it may be too tall for some shorter users. This bike also doesn't have built-in transport wheels for easy portability, unlike others on our list. Number 2. Yuda Exercise Bike. This folding exercise bike is quiet, comfortable, and offers a wide range of resistance levels, all at a budget-friendly price. It features built-in heart rate sensors, as well as an LCD monitor that clearly displays your time, pulse, speed, distance, and calories burned. The display also has a holder for your book, tablet, or smartphone, so you can read, watch shows, or talk hands-free while you're cycling. We like that the ergonomic seat cushion is padded with soft foam, while textured pedals prevent your feet from slipping. 8 levels of resistance provide plenty of ways to up your ride's difficulty. And wheels on the base make the bike easy to move and store out of the way when you're not using it. The non-contact magnetic resistance system delivers a quiet, smooth ride, making this bike a good option for shared spaces. However, users note that it can be difficult to adjust the seat's height. This bike also doesn't include any pre-programmed workouts, unlike others on our list. Number 3. Ironman Exetic Exercise Bike. Recumbent bikes are a great low-impact exercise option for older adults who are overweight, those with knee or back pain, or people who are new to exercising, because they take pressure off of the joints and support the lower back. Point 2. Made with heavy-duty steel, this recumbent folding exercise bike from Exetic is a durable option that supports up to 300 pounds. The design makes it easy to get on and off the bike, while the large seat and adjustable backrest provide comfortable support. The bike utilizes a magnetic tension control system with 8 resistance levels, so you can customize your workout. As for extra features, it boasts an LCD display that tracks your calories burned, distance, time, speed, and pulse, but it lacks a built-in device or water bottle holder. Keep in mind that a recumbent bike takes up more floor space than an upright one does, so this bike might not be the best option for those who are really tight on space. Number 4. Stera Fitness Folding Exercise Bike. If you're looking for a basic bike that doesn't take up a lot of space, we recommend Stera Fitness FB150 bike. You can control your workout intensity by adjusting the knob in the front to one of 8 resistance levels. An easy-to-read LCD screen with just one simple button allows you to monitor your time, speed, pulse, distance, and calories burned at a glance. The large seat and padded handlebars can be adjusted into multiple positions for optimal comfort and support. Plus, the friction-free magnetic resistance and silent belt drive system means your ride won't disturb your neighbors or other household members. Compact and lightweight, this bike easily folds down to fit in 18 square inches of floor space and has built-in wheels, so it's not a hassle to move or store. However, its efficient size means it can't accommodate taller riders, as it's suitable for users between 4 feet, 10 inches and 5 feet, 10 inches tall. The weight capacity is also smaller than many of our other top picks, at up to 225 pounds. Number 5. Kurono Stationary Exercise Bike. Seniors need an exercise bike that's comfortable, easy to use, and sturdy, like our top pick from Barwing. The plush, oversized seat has a backrest that can be adjusted to different heights and angles, so riders can pick the position that works best for their needs and fitness goals. The bike also features padded handlebars, as well as a large, clear LCD monitor that shows statistics like time, calories burned, speed, and distance. Plus, it comes with built-in resistance bands and an ankle strap, which offer more than just a cardio workout. However, it doesn't have a water bottle holder, unlike some of our other top picks. With a heavy-duty steel frame and X-type design, this bike is sturdy and built to last. The extra-wide legs help prevent wobbling and rattling, allowing for a smooth, stable ride. Meanwhile, the bike's quiet magnetic resistance system features 16 levels, so you can get a good workout regardless of your fitness level. At 46 pounds, it's heavier than other folding bikes, but we think that's a good trade-off for its durability and high weight capacity of 300 pounds. Thanks for watching. That's all for now, and hope all of you guys enjoy the video. Thanks.